Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. It's going to dive into all the crypto projects today. I'm just going to cover them all quickly. All I'm going to do is, as a thought experiment, I'm just going to say to you and show you basically where, if we are entering a bear market, which we don't anticipate by the way, but we're just going to do a little thought experiment. But if we did, okay, and the bears are right and we are entering a bear market, or we are already in a bear market, then I'm going to show you exactly where the rock bottom prices are for Bitcoin and all the other alts that I do cover in this channel. Okay, I'll just go through it as a thought experiment. So basically, you know, you're fully aware that I don't think we are in a bear market, but when we do create that bear market signal that we're looking for in the channel, which we've not got yet on any alts, if we do start to create that sort of signal of a bear market, then at that point I will show you where I do expect those particular projects to find a footing, basically based on past performance. So basically, each time Bitcoin goes into a bear market, it does correct just over 80% in a bear market bottom. That's where we're able to find the bottom. Obviously, as you're fully aware in the channel right now, one key indicator of the fact that we can show you the potential upside for Bitcoin and many of the alts, okay, and it works so many times, is basically you got the bearish cross, which signifies a bear market. It's a bit of a lagging indicator. Like I said to you, you do want to see the precursor signals, okay. Those are losing certain levels of support, which I'm showing you right now in the channel every day, okay, because obviously this is a lagging indicator. You're fully aware of that. And then obviously you've got your bullish cross, your buy and go to the beach signal, so the reverse of that. So bear market, bull market. Do you see that? So for example, Bitcoin here in 2013 topped out roughly there, and it had a correction, created a little bear market bottom right there, start to pick up, and when we got the bullish cross there, the buy and go to the beach signal from CoinsKid, that's when we was able to lay down our fibs and tell you, you know, you're going to the 2.272. You've got to get through all those levels of resistance first, and these are the primary targets for Bitcoin moving onwards and upwards, and that's exactly what's going on now. You know, we've gone through that bear market bottom just there. We've started to pick up, create the bullish cross, the buy and go to the beat signal from CoinsKid, as you're fully aware. And this is where we're laying down our fibs, and we're getting these price predictions here, you know, based off previous cycles before. We've got the Elliott wave theory as well. You know, even here when we got up and we're corrected, we're still in a bull market, so to speak. So you're fully aware. We cover that in the channel every day. So you can see that right now, you know, that Bitcoin potentially, given our target, is on our way to 2.272, the 200k, Elliott wave theory. But right now we're going through some heinous pullback, aren't we? Some, you know, wave 4 deep wave pullback that's shaking people out, and it's making people scared, and it's making people think that we are in a bear market. So let's, for example, say we are in a bear market. Then we've topped out for Bitcoin at the 1618 in this cycle, and we now enter in a bear market. Okay, from that, you know, I can tell you right now where the potential bear market bottom is in this bear market that Bitcoin is supposedly in. So right now, you know, given the previous performance of the correction of Bitcoin from there to the cycle bear bottom 86% correction just there, do you see that? And then again in this particular cycle where you've seen Bitcoin top out and come back down, you're looking at roughly 80% as well. So right now, you know, 80% correction in that cycle. In this cycle, we went from there down to there at the rock bottom, and that was roughly 84% as well. So averaging about between 85 and 80% right there. So what we'll do, we'll say 80% then for good measure from this cycle top right now for Bitcoin. I'm going to show you all the alts as well. I'm not just going to focus on Bitcoin here. This is just a thought experiment I'm doing right now, okay? So just there, we topped out just there, just above 1618 extension. And we're saying what, an 80% correction for Bitcoin just here, so just there. So that is exactly just under our wave 1 high, which will invalidate our Elliott wave theory. So, you know, if Bitcoin is entering a bear market right now, and we are looking for a bottom, average bottom is 80%, then you're looking at a $12,539 Bitcoin token in the bear market. You know, say for example we are entering a bear market right here, and you do something like this. This is where you'll find the bottom for Bitcoin for continuation. And at that point, you know, when we form that bullish cross again, because we've not even got the death cross yet, the bearish cross, the sell and go to the beach from CoinsKid on the weekly time frame, that is not here yet either. And like I said to you, you're getting a squeeze, eventually get the pop. But this is a bearish video, not a bullish video. So anyway, yeah, so that's our cycle bottom in this bear market that supposedly Bitcoin finds itself in. Okay. So yeah, because in other bear markets you can see you've corrected 80%. So, and that would actually, that particular forecast just there of a bearish bear market bottom will invalidate the wave 1 high, the Elliott wave theory that we're going through right now, and it would obviously in this cycle invalidate our 2.272 and our 200k per Bitcoin target, which we're targeting. So that throws it all out the window if we are in a bear market. Do you see that? So this is what we don't anticipate, but I'm showing you the potential targets of a bear market bottom if we have entered this bear market. So right now, so that's Bitcoin. Bitcoin was at, we marked that just there to then, we said around about 80%, didn't we? So roughly around there, 12,539 bear market bottom in the bear market. Okay, so if it was to continue from here, we'll drop that in for good measure, make it red. If we was to continue to depreciate and enter this bear market, okay, then you would be looking at a further 62% correction for Bitcoin, you know, into the bear market, so to speak, that everyone's calling for. So that's Bitcoin. Okay, so what we're going to do is take a look at Cardano. So Cardano, as you're fully aware, this is Cardano on the weekly as well, on which we're obviously, you're fully aware, we're anticipating more upside. I will try and get a Cardano video out to you eventually. So you can see with Cardano, previous cycle top, bear market bottom. So again, we'll just go from the top just there. We'll measure down. Alts tend to correct roughly between 95% and 100%. So we'll just say 97%, just for good measure. Okay, so you can see that was a cycle bottom. So right now, if we are entering a bear market, alts are obviously going to be in a bear market as well. So I'm going to give you the very bottom for Cardano. So we say 70, what do we say, 75% or something? Yeah, let's just say 75% for good measure. So you could be looking at 8 cents Cardano. So if that floats anyone's boat, that's your bear market bottom for Cardano down here. And then obviously we've got XRP as well. So let's have a look. XRP, which we cover every day. Get rid of the drawings. And again, let's go on a different chart just here for XRP. We'll just measure this particular correction of this bear market top to the bottom just there. And you can see, like I said to you, you know, roughly the alts correct anywhere between 95 and 100%. So 96, so we'll say 95% again from this top just here. We're entering a bear market now for alts and crypto and Bitcoin and all that sort of business. So we're saying 95%. So this theoretically is the bear market bottom for XRP. We'll draw that in right now. That's your bear market bottom for XRP at 9 cents in the bear market that apparently is happening right now. And then obviously what sort of one we cover VeChain, don't we, every day? I need to, when I get back off holiday, I will cover these again. So with VeChain, just, where are we? So with VeChain, I think that there was the cycle high of the last cycle. So from there to the bottom was your measurement. I think again you're looking at 94%. So what we'll do, we'll say another 95% from here, then 94% from that top just there down to the bottom. You could be looking at VeChain coming down to 1 cent basically. So we'll drop that line in as well. So that's your bear market bottom down there for VeChain if you've entered a bear market. Not that we think we have, by the way. We're just doing it as a thought experiment just to show you potentially where the bear market bottom is for all these cryptos. And obviously, so what we'll do, we'll take a look at Ethereum as well, because we do cover that from time to time. Ethereum, where are we? So with Ethereum, then you can see in the previous bear market for Ethereum, we topped out here, and we had a whopping correction over a couple of years where we had that was the actual bottom just there, and that was 94% correction for Ethereum as well. So if we are entering a bear market now, and we have had this blow off top, and we're starting to, you know, this is the top, the bull market cycle top, and we are entering that bear market. I'm going to show you exactly where you could put some bids in for Ethereum. From that top, you're talking 94%, so you will be looking at a $250 Ethereum token as the bear market bottom just down there. Okay, so which we're not anticipating, because as you can see, even with that invalidates the Elliott wave theory as well. So just because we've got this theory doesn't mean it can't not be invalidated, but it just invalidates our theory. And you know, at the minute we are looking great for more upside on Ethereum, in my opinion. We've not even come down to the 55 yet as a test of support. So in my opinion, you know, this bear market scenario that people are calling for, bear markets for alts and Bitcoin, carry over a 90% correction for alts and over plus 80% correction for Bitcoin. And Personally, I'm not seeing it at the moment, and this is why I don't think we're in a bear market. But what do I know? Okay, so that's a little update for you on where the bear market bottoms, given the possibility that we have actually entered the bear market and we've already seen the cycle top of this bull market. So yeah, you've got them little updates there, and obviously, you know, fully transparency. If we do enter the bear market, and we are on the cusp of a bear market, sorry, and we have topped out, which again I'll repeat, I don't think we have, but if we have, then stick with the channel, because I will show you exactly where the bottom is, and then I'll show you exactly where the reversal and the confirmation of the next bull market is, and where you buy and go to the beach basically, or even just put some cheeky bids down here on these levels over the next couple of years if we are entering a bear market. So yeah, that's basically a little update on a bear market scenario right there for crypto. But yeah, take care everyone, stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. I'll be back tomorrow with another update on crypto. Bye bye.